The NJO show! And now we're live here at our studio! Come on in. As you can see, our fire evacuation plan. Level 504, San Agustin Street. Okay, here's our fire exit, which is empty. Okay. And wait, look. See, it's empty. There. And look at the beautiful paint. And they were having a party here.
And this is our powdering room.
Powdering room.
Or you can just powder and make something with a bowl.
Yeah, good. Come. And welcome to our kitchen. Here we go. Where you can microwave things.
Thank you.
And as you can see, you can bake here cookies. Come on. Go inside. And this is our guest room. Beautiful tank top. Come on, let's go to the washroom.
This is the guest room. Washroom.
Okay, someone's inside. Sorry, someone's inside. You cannot go
See.
inside.
Okay.
Someone's taking a bath. No. Asa si Mami? Here. Our secret hiding place. When we go outside, we go like.
Yeah. Or maybe someone, the photographers or
Yeah, like-
something. We hide here.
Come on, let's go. And this is their closet.
And we love finish na tayo nila.
This is our dining room.
room.
As you can see, people are eating here. This is our very own guest.
Hello.
We'll put you on YouTube, don't
Yeah.
worry.
And this is our food and the wine you can drink if you want.
Who is this camera woman?
It's our camera girl, Jana. And as you can see, look at this man. Very healthy. That's what we posted on YouTube. Look at this.
Happy birthday, boo.
Yeah, happy birthday. And look at this beautiful sign. It's okay.
Are you a shopaholic and don't mind shopping for working or more and more stuff and you
Come on, come on. This is our salad. Our very rock cake salad. Just wait a minute.
I'm sorry we can't go on with the overview because it's locked and some people are there.
You make one from tea.
Hey, I love
And this is a table and also a bed. Sometimes. Come on, let's go to that.
No, it's locked.
But as you can see, this is the last bedroom. But it's locked. I'm sorry. So see you next time. We're planning some party, so you may just come back next time. So, bye! Bye!
Back in 1990, Dr. George Schaller.
Oh, hello there! Welcome to Ethan Gay Show. And we're eating right now. And here's our food sponsor. We have some pasta, bread,
egg, and fish.
What do you eat? Carbonara or spaghetti?
Like, this is spaghetti, right? Yeah. And this is our camera girl.
Hi.
And she's also eating. Look at her food. This is my food. This is my food. We're on a diet. It's our lunch time here on Sinan Queso. Earlier on Sunday. Want some drink? Anyway, we would like to thank our sponsors, the Reina family, Conti, Craving, Fraser Place, yeah, and Gardenia, and Magnolia, and Fortunella, and her, and Casa bread. No, this is the kind of bread. Village Garment. Thank you very much. Thank you Just Ellie for my clothes. Thank you Scoop for my clothes. Bye. Thank you to Dolce and Gabbana and Chanel for our clothes. And makeup for. Bye.
Hello. Echo shit.
Really?
Yeah.
Almost Lisa and Kaya. And now we're still continuing eating. We're really hungry and tired of the Tita and Kaya show.
Really tired.
Yeah, the camera girl is tired. Just the music camera girl.
La 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 la. I'm tired. Ate May! Plato!
Sorry, this is our studio and many people are here waiting for us.
Plato! Iginamit niya tigay.
Sira ito!
Cake! I want cake, yo!
Hey, you can get some, right?
Fine.
Pepperoni.
Camille! Come here! Ikaw muna camera girl. Halika rito!